and always think on the brighter side of something despite of all the challenges that we face. Like I am now, competing in this competition, I receive a lot of bash, a lot of criticism that I don't fit in this competition because I don't have a good body physique like others have. But instead of thinking those words as negativities, I transform it as my words of inspiration for me to become a better version.
They want to promote to be your best self, your best version, while representing the beautiful province of Laguna. And further than that, I would like to promote confidence within all of you, because considering that we are the first batch of the Kalakan and the Kambini of Laguna, we are the first stepping stone of this pageant and this opportunity. So let us show to our fellow youth that we are more than capable of fulfilling our dreams.
Kahit na may mahadlang, kaya natin iharap ang ating sarili. Katulad ko na isang produkto ng broken family na kahit na walang sumusuporta sa akin magulang or may kulang sa akin, kaya kong iharap ang aking sarili at magbigay inspirasyon sa lahat.
Guys, let's stay confident and be resilient. Because despite our busy schedules, we still manage to show up here at the activities of Lakan and Laguna. And if we have this confidence in ourselves, I believe that it will take us to the greatest moments of our lives.
Gusto kong sabihin sa kanila na ang pagsali dito ay hindi lamang sa paligsahan, kundi sa paggamit ng iyong oras to the fullest. I believe na kung ma-enjoy mo ang days ng iyong kabataan ay hindi mo ito pagsisisihan sa pagdating ng panahon.